Give thanks.
Oh man, it's my turn.
Your turn. You got it! Maybe there's one. A pumpkin. Nope, they don't match, do they? No matching. See if you can turn two over. Oh, what's that one? A turkey. A turkey. A feather. And a feather or a leaf. Yeah. Oh, no! So how many do you have?
I have more.
You have more? How many more do you have?
I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
And I've got
2.
1, 2.
So I'm the winner!
He's our winner!
Yeah! Let's play it again.
Okay, let's play it again. See, I'm gonna get the last one. Yay! I got the red leaves, finally.
So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2.
4-2 again. You won, champion!
Yeah!